Alright guys, we're back at it again. We decided to glue the tires, so we got the tires glued on, and these are the orange and yellows that we got from our buddy over there, test driver. And we're running our CNHL 4900 mAh 120c LiPo. And I took it for a quick spin. I took the spacers out of the front so it has a little more give. And she's pretty nice, so we'll hopefully get a couple minutes of good footage. Then we'll do the DT-02. So we also took the motor out of the DT-02, which was a Surpass Hobby 12 turn. And you can see that it's already running a lot better than it did the other day. Not that it was running bad, but now that the tires are hooked up, running good. Now I've already been running for about 20 minutes and the battery still seems pretty solid. And these little mini packs are perfect. They fit in there nice for any of these Tamiyas. They might flop around a little bit, but they don't seem to be affected. Again, this is part of a little race prep for make sure the cars are running good for our next head-to-head, because Lauren really digs the two-wheel drivers now. Since we changed the tires over, she really likes the way they handle better than with the knobbies. So it's a win-win. That and the batteries, a little extra push. So what was in there was a torque tune. It wasn't a silver can, so it wasn't totally horrible. Yeah, I'm digging it. Whoa. Let's see if we got it reversed. Almost. Now this ESC is not rated for 12 turn, it's only rated to 20 turn. It's the Futaba 23 something or other, MC23. But it seems to handle it okay. It did cut out earlier after I was running it for a good 15-20 minutes, but I have a feeling that was just a temp thing. Battery was probably overheated. Yeah, like it just did there. So yeah, so we'll get the DT-02 out later. This is our frog. So yeah, that's, oh, it probably just shut off. So you see it's the MC230 CR. And it does turn itself off every now and then. I haven't mounted it completely. My goal is to find a good combination, something that doesn't matter who gets what car. They're about the same. And I don't know if you know this, most of you Tamiya guys probably do, but the DT-02 and the DT-03 have the same front end and same gearbox. It's just the center chassis that's different. So they're pretty similar cars. Now we got another motor try for our DT-02 for the CW01 Creations. That's we got an Orbital 2 with 13 turn. We'll get that out there. I might try and jam the 22 pin pinion in there. I don't know, we'll see. But we'll get a head-to-head out Friday. I'm just ripping her along. Now these tires don't hook up real good in the dirt, at least the wet dirt, because we had a lot of rain up until this morning. So it's pretty wet. I'll go in there real quick. It's not bad, but you definitely slip out a little more. It's definitely designed for harder clay. Anyways, hopefully you guys dig. Like and subscribe and all that, and we'll it's a good test run, good shakedown. I want to thank our sponsor CNHL for the battery and test driver for the wheels, and yeah, we'll get rolling. See you when I see you guys. Peace. Peace.